Here's a simple conjecture in mathematics. If you prove it, you'll become a world-famous mathematician. Start with any integer. So we'll start with 31, Reggie Miller, the Indiana Pacers great player's number. So if the number is even, you divide it by 2. If it's odd, you multiply it by 3 and add 1. Do you ever get to 1 no matter what you start with? The conjecture is you always get to 1 sometime. It's sometimes called the Syracuse problem. I'm not sure why. But let's see if we can model this with Excel, going down through, let's say, doing the steps 200 times here. Okay, so basically, we have to use an if statement and use the is even function. So we'd say, if the number is even, you divide it by 2, otherwise you triple it and add 1. And that would give you, so 31 is odd, multiplied by 3, add 1, you get 94. Then that's even, you divide it by 2, multiply by 3, add 1, etc. Okay, so now did we get to 1? We take the minimum of this column. And where did it happen? We might as well check that. We could match that minimum starting 1 through 200, comma 0. So there a 1 came out on number, the 106 number. So it took a while. It may not always happen before 200, but I think here it will. So let's do a data table. Let's vary the starting number from 1 through 100, and then let's keep track of the minimum. It'll always be 1 and when it happens. So there's the minimum. There's when it happened. And so we do a data table. The column input cell would be just throw that number where the yellow is. And that should do it there. Now, okay, it took a while for my Office 365 to recalculate, but we always got a 1, and then we've got where it happened. Okay, so we start with like if I start with a 3, then the 1 came on the 7th try, etc. So the conjecture is not proven, but it does work 1 through 200. And again, if you can prove this, you'll be considered one of the world's great mathematicians because they've tried and they've gotten nowhere, I believe.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytic stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.